Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to another video by Sandwin.
So guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to better manage all of your social media accounts right in one place. Alright, so you can basically have all your accounts. I'm just talking, not just talking about your Facebook or Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. I'm talking about each and every profile that you have in Facebook, each and every profile you have on Instagram. You can see all of them better organized in one single place, and literally with a click of a single button you can log into the exact account in the same browser. You don't have to wander browser to browser or switch between from the tabs. All you can do is right from one place, from one single browser. So this is really gonna be interesting. So do drop the like. Okay, so let's start this video. So at first you're gonna have to come to this website, which is Sandwin, okay, Sand.win, or you can go check it out. And then I'm logged in here, but once you go to this website as a new user, then you should definitely look out something like this, okay, where you can see you have this register and login option. So you can basically just register for an account. It's totally free of cost, so why not? You should definitely take advantage of it. Go register for a free account, and once you register you should have a login page like this. All right, so where you should where your email ID should be reflected, and then what you can do is just click on it, and then you can go to my account. All right, so now what I'm going to show you is called the sessions. Okay, so in sessions you can see how everything is so well organized, right? So here are all the profiles that I've ever saved into Sandwin. So this is how I keep things organized, but let me show you how to make it super handy, because this is something which you can do by having the link saved in a notepad maybe. All right, so well, let me show you how to get it actually done. Okay, so at first I just gave you a brief idea about how Sandwin works, but now let me just show you how to create the sessions. Okay, so it's really cool. You can check out this video where I have talked about how to create sessions with Sandwin. Alright, but let me show you a brief tutorial in this video. So at first just open up a new tab and visit the website page. Alright, so now I'm here in the website page of Sandwin, and let me tell you that you can get to this page all into the description. You don't have to worry about searching for this. I've provided all of the links in the description. You can just check them out. And since this is also I get the option to remove from home, but you should get an option to add to, right? Just add this and you should have this, and I can experience right at the top of the search bar, right? So what you can do is you can just click on it, right, and you can see you can create a session here. So for example, if this would have been facebook.com, so here when you click upon this icon again, you would have an option to create a saved session or an unsaved session, right? So just click on this, maybe a saved session. You enter a name, you enter a group, you add it, and that's it. That's what you do. And let me show you here all the sessions, but when you click on this, this icon here, you can see these are the various groups that I've created. Now this is a group for social. This is how you keep all of your social media accounts under one place. And when I click this drop down, you can see these are all of my all of my social media accounts. As you can see, I have named it as Twitter1 because I got this one profile on this Twitter, and then you can see FB2, we have FB1. So these are my two FB profiles, and I have my first Instagram profile and my second Instagram profile. And basically I can open all of this account. Let me show you the two Instagram accounts. So right here you can see it's my first Instagram profile. Now let me just show you the other Instagram account, okay, the number 2 that I've marked. So here you can see it's the second Instagram profile loading. Alright, you can see it's two different tabs, while while you can see that I have two different accounts. So this is really good, and this is what Sandwin makes possible for you. You can keep all of your social media profiles organized in one single group, and this doesn't just mean these different social sites, but this also means all the accounts that you hold with different sites. So this is really interesting, and I definitely urge you guys to go install Sandwin and definitely know for yourself what Sandwin is, how it can help you out. And with this I'm wrapping up this video. Just would like to let you know again that all links are there in the description. You can go ahead, you can install Penguin, you can also check out the Penguin page. Alright, so everything is there in the description. Go check it out, and I'm pretty sure this is really gonna help you out. Till then, I'll see you in some other video.
Take care and bye bye.